All right, we are at Surfside. It's Universal's Endless Summer Surfside side. We've done the dock side before, and this is the same exact room as that resort. But we'll just go through it anyways. Let's see. So this is the entryway. There is a dining table area, and I'll just say that this is a after stay room tour, so we've already stayed in this room. That's why it's trash. But we tried to tidy up so we could show you. We have this dining area. It's got a bench on one side, 2 chairs, nice mirror, surfboard. It's kind of, surfside surfing theme. It is a really massive room. It is a value room, and we love staying here because of the value. So we have 2 beds in here, and the beds are great. They're extremely comfortable. Plenty of places to charge stuff. There's some hooks under here with drawers. You can put stuff under that part of the bed, save you some space if you need it. TV. There's the boys. It is a beautiful Florida morning. Nice and cool, sun's out, no clouds. It's going to be an awesome day. Plenty of light, plenty of space. We are on the 1st floor, so we have really tall ceilings. Anyways, we have a little kitchenette area, microwave, refrigerator, sink, coffee machine. They give you lots of coffee and cups and stuff to do that. Just down the hall is the cafeteria. You can get silverware if you want it, plates, bowls, stuff like that. Here is the other bedroom. So here's the walk-in area, main bedroom, separate bedroom. Has its own nice comfy bed. And it's got a place like a mini closet, ironing board, iron, luggage rack, spare linens. It's got 2 bed lights, and then this is the only light for the room. You flick the switch on and that's it. There's nothing on the ceiling, which is kind of odd. So at night it does get dark in here. But we have some stools, some more hooks, which are great, hanging up hats. It's Mardi Gras here, so the kids are hanging up their beads. But I can't recommend the Mardi Gras parade enough. It is amazing to watch. The performers work really hard, and it's awesome. The floats are awesome. Everybody's having a good time. The music is great. They had the Orlando police on motorcycles riding around. I mean, it was just fantastic. All right, get 2 sinks. Usually they have plenty of linens underneath it. Lots of light, great mirror. And here is the bathroom. Not much to say. Again, pardon the mess. Lots of towels. It's shower and toilet. Nothing too special in the bathroom. But that's the grand tour. Overall, it's a fantastic value. We love staying here. Get tons of space. It fits my whole family. It's easy to get to. The parks are really close. Let's see. Bus transportation is really easy. It's a nice place. Another thing that we kind of like is the all-off switch. So you just flick that and it kills just about most of the lights in the room when you want to leave. All right, the one downside, the thing we don't like about Universal, just all the resorts, is the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi, they give you complimentary Wi-Fi, but it's very, very slow. And they allow you to purchase an upgrade, which I think is silly in this day and age to do that. Just give people regular full spectrum Wi-Fi. It's 2024. I think it can be done. Other places do it. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed this room tour. It's just like our Endless Summer's dockside room tour. So there's nothing really new in this one, but I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.